Providers are no longer required to submit surety bond updates through an existing enrollment request type. A new PEMS Maintenance Request Type will be created for surety bond updates to allow providers to submit surety bond updates via a maintenance request. For this demo, we will show you how to submit your File Maintenance Surety Bond updates. Log into your admin account, then select Provider Management. Enter your NPI in the search box and open your NPI record. If you are not prompted to re-enroll or revalidate, you will see the Maintenance Practice Location Surety Bond request. Select the Create Request button on the right. Once the request is created, click the ellipsis to the right of the practice location containing a provider type that requires a surety bond to be included. Select the Program and Services Participation page selection on the left-hand side. Fill the form out with your surety bond number, surety bond company name, surety bond amount, and surety bond effective date. It is optional to fill out your surety bond expiration date. Click Save and select the left-pointing arrow in the blue PEMS header. Next, select the Attachments page. Once the Attachments page is open, select Click here to select a file. Upload the attachment type, State of Texas Medicaid Provider Surety Bond, Continuation Certification, Surety Bond Rider, Surety Bond Reinstatement Notice, or Surety Bond Cancellation. Once your attachment is loaded, select the Practice Location Information page on the left side navigation bar. Using the ellipsis, open the practice location containing a provider type that requires a surety bond. After the practice location opens, select the Program and Services Participation page on the left side navigation bar. Verify that all information is correct. Once verified, submit the request by selecting the Submit All Changes button at the top right. Once the request is submitted, the Your application has been submitted and is now under review, your request number notification will appear.